Right guys, so today we're making tables. This is one we made earlier. And we are using the pallets to make the legs. And these doors, which are pretty old. They came out of the house that we lived in when we were renovating it 10 years ago. This house is it's over 100 years old. It used to be an old mill house, and these doors, there was about 10 of them I think, all running through the house. So we've stored them for 10 years with nothing to do with them, and so now I think it's time to give them a second life as a table. A lovely table. So stick with us and I'll show you how we do it. So first things first, break up the pallets. Quite a few, they're heavy duty. They were pretty cheap, like £2 a pallet. And they are absolutely hench. It's mad that that much wood is £2 a pallet. It's so thick and sturdy. Okie dokie. So now we have a pile of the big thick ones that'll run along the edge of the table like this. It's about the perfect size that we need it for. And we've got some of the smaller ones. They will be used to reinforce the bottom and the top.